Entry number 27, San Ramon High School. Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Larry I. Bisana Jr., Corps Commander. Cadet Major Justin Q. Murillo, Corps XO. Cadet Major John Reddy Suliman, Corps S1. Cadet Major Jancel Sereno, Corps S2. Cadet Major Audrey Grace B. Fajardo, Corps S4. Cadet Major James Liti Hardinero, Corps S5. Major's Leader Princess B. Rasado. Band Leader Shane Gabriel S. Diluana. Company Commander Cadet Captain Hazel E. Batalier. Company XO Cadet First Lieutenant Chobet Javier. First Platoon Leader Boys Cadet Second Lieutenant Michael S. Rafael. Second Lieutenant Christian G. M. Poliero. Facilitator Raylan A. Sierra. Band Coordinator Eugene S. Pucar. Majors Coordinator Karel Dayan B. Laurel. Entry number 27, San Ramon High School, San Ramon, Bula, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 27, San Ramon High School from San Ramon, Bula, Camarines Sur. Next entry.